Hi, this is Dr. Kowalski with Kowalski Chiropractic. I was going to show you today what a full body adjustment looks like here. Here at our office, we kind of check the whole body, make sure there's any misalignments. We want to get those lined up and moving well and help your whole body move and function its best. So we usually start just checking out the low back, make sure everything's lined up and moving. She has a few tight spots here, so a lot of times we'll just kind of decompress and stretch out this low back here first. This is a great adjustment too. If you have a disc problem or a disc bulge or herniation, just kind of help this decompress and help it heal up a little bit faster as well. So after a good low back stretch, we'll kind of move into the adjustment part here. We'll also check the mid back here, make sure this is unlocked and moving as well. Good, a few little restrictions here. Couple spots there. And we'll have her go on her side facing me this way next. One spot's a little locked up on this side here. Good, we'll have you go on the other side. Perfect, there, we'll have you go on your back. We're adjusting the feet. We want to make sure there's 26 different bones in the foot and ankle. We want to make sure all those are lined up and moving well. If there's any restrictions, it can cause foot pain, knee pain, even all the way up to the hip or low back pain. So we want to make sure the feet are moving good, so we usually adjust them here. And the common thing I see is a little decrease in the dorsiflexion here, so this helps the foot move well with this adjustment. Good there. And we'll move in, check the knees, make sure these joints are moving well. Get rid of any restrictions. A lot of times with the knees, it'll be a lot of muscle tension, so we'll work those out and get the muscles loosened up, but we want to also check the knee joints there, make sure it's unlocked and moving good. All right, when we're checking out the neck, there's 7 bones that we're checking, make sure they're lined up and moving well. This can cause neck pain or headaches if they're restricted or any tension in here. So she has a couple little spots locked up on this side. Good. And one on this side here. Good. Sometimes we'll even just do a little decompression, just kind of stretch the neck, help all the tension get off the head and help with headaches also here. We also like to check the shoulders and arms and hands also. So for a shoulder adjustment, we'll have her put her hand on her hip here, and we're checking the AC joint. Feels a little locked up. I'm gonna bring my hand around here, and I'm just gonna have her flick that elbow back against my arm, and nice and fast. Good. We're gonna check this the same thing on this side. Quick flick. There we go. And then we'll also check the elbows, make sure they're moving well, and even the hands. And the wrists as well. So pretty much adjust everything from the neck all the way down to the feet. Make sure everything's lined up and moving good. Help you move and function your best.